미국의 팝스타 마이클 볼튼의 대표 히트곡 중 하나인 Lean on Me. 어렵고 힘들 때도 기댈 수 있는 친구가 되어주겠다는 내용의 메시지로 많은 이들에게 위로와 용기를 선사하며 오랫동안 사랑받아온 곡입니다. 이 곡은 빌보드가 선정한 가장 위대한 R&B 가수인 빌 위더스의 1972년 곡을 리메이크한 노래인데요. 마이클 볼튼 특유의 허스키하면서 힘있게 전달되는 목소리가 가사와 감정을 효과적으로 전달하여 더 큰 감동을 가져다주는 곡이죠. 소양은 이 노래를 불후의 명곡 레전드 팝스타 마이클 볼튼 특집편에서 불렀는데요. 그녀만의 부드러우면서도 강렬한 보컬과 뛰어난 감정 전달력으로 곡의 감동을 극대화하였다는 평가를 받습니다. 이 무대를 모두 지켜본 마이클 볼튼은 소양을 거장으로 표현하며 말을 잇지 못했는데요.
You rise to the level of virtuoso. Virtuosity is what we experienced. Spectacular.
It's a really great honor to hear it from you. And you are spectacular too.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
이후 마이클 볼튼은 자신의 공연에서 소양과 듀엣으로 이 곡을 열창하기도 하였죠. 레전드 팝스타 마이클 볼튼을 홀린 소양의 Lean on Me. 재미있는 해외 뮤지션들의 반응과 함께 들어보겠습니다.
All that dress, she looks so beautiful.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh,
So beautiful.
Sometimes in our lives, we all have pain. We all have sorrow. If we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow.
There's Michael Bolton.
Dang. Was that Michael Bolton? That was Michael Bolton, wasn't it? Wow, so he's literally probably gonna sing with her, I imagine, or is he just listening? That's awesome.
Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend. I have to carry on.
Okay, I love the beautiful. You know, now I just was frozen because his beautiful work. My God, so good.
It won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Please, please swallow your pride. If I have things you need to borrow.
This doesn't even sound like the same song. She's making it her own.
No one can feel those of your needs that you won't lash out.
So Yang blows my mind. Blows my mind because she comes out. She's absolutely beautiful. This absolutely beautiful, skinny, tiny thing walks out on stage, so elegant, so graceful, stands there, got the mic, and then blows the roof off with her voice. I'm standing by it. One of the best vocalists on this entire planet.
Needs that you won't lash out. Sometimes in a life,
Here we go. We're just rising, man. Great production.
we all have sorrow.
So Hyung is obviously one of those singers that you listen to, you freeze. Pretty much.
Fucking hell. Hold my arms up.
Wow! Listen how she does these call on. She kind of almost scoops into it, but has like a little vocal cry on call.
Just cuts to Michael Bolton. He's just like, Michael Bolton's got tears in his eyes. Michael Bolton, oh man, this is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing.
Wait, let me just listen to that little flip in her vocal.
Wow. Yeah.
What the hell kind of note is that? I don't even know what note that was. What the hell?
I saw that. I knew that was coming. I knew it. I knew she was gonna go up there. And look at this. I'm sweating. When I listen to her. Man. This gets me. Okay.
How is that even possible? How? I'm rewinding the video. I'm shaking, man. That was amazing.
Oh! Oh my god! Yay! I love it. Oh my god, it's B-flat. These are belting sounds. Are you kidding me? Seriously? Wow, guys. If you need a friend, you can lean on. You can lean on. Just lean on. If you need a friend, you can lean on. You can just lean on. Just lean on.
Dude, yeah. This production is just phenomenal.
See, she's really a master of the dynamic build and the surprise change in arrangement.
Dude, I've never heard anything like this in my life. This is crazy. I don't even know she's human. I know she's blessed by God.
See, we have that fun break, and then she always finishes with something like this.
Oh my god! You are beautiful.
At this point, you can't even call that a cover. You can't even call that a cover song. That was her song. That was her song. That was amazing. Everyone knows the original. Lean on me. Everyone knows the original. But man, that was her original.
Wow! Goosebumps. You can't see my arm hairs, but trust me, they are all up. Wow, 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 wow. I love the way she kind of fooled us again. She took it back down and we had this nice kind of jazzy exploration into her vocals, the soulful side of her vocals, and then suddenly she goes full throttle up to that top note. I am here. This is my voice. Fantastic, absolutely fantastic. You know, it's one of those songs that we all must have seen performed in a lot of different ways, a lot of different times, but I've never seen it like that. That is gonna stay with me for a long time.